So, my name's Lily Burns. I'm in the 4-H Club Saddle Up. I'm 15 years old, and today I'm gonna be showing you how to make customized DIY stickers. So, some things you're gonna need are scissors, Scotch clear packing tape, parchment paper, and some little cutouts of things that you want to be your stickers. And then this is my computer, and these are some stickers that I've already made, and they stick on just like that, super cute. The first thing that you're going to do is get your parchment paper. Then you want to lay it down, and you want to take your pieces of paper and organize them somewhat in like a corner so you're not wasting parchment paper. So now what you want to do is like get as close to the corner, and then you're going to want to take them off and kind of like see where you need to put it, and take your tape. It's okay. Then you just want to lay it down, and if you're going to put them together, make sure you're overlapping them so it's not going to have any. No. Now you want to just set your stickers back on and make sure that, nope, I'm gonna need one more piece. Okay. Now that your first layer is on, now you want to rearrange your stickers back on. Okay, so now you want to do everything you just did, just with the stickers, the pieces of paper on it. Shape this. Okay, so now that you have 3 layers of sticker, parchment paper, tape, paper, and another layer of tape, you want to cut them out after you, of course, get all of the air bubbles out. This is what I call the messy cut, and then afterwards, when I come back in, I'm gonna cut like as close as I can, but like about here. So these, I'm done cutting them out, and as you can see, there is a little bit of space so that it stays. And then these I actually did myself, and these I printed off, and you can do either. So when you're ready to use your sticker, and yeah, you just peel off the parchment paper, comes off super easy, and then you just stick it on wherever you want to. Thanks for watching.